I got the Suzuki Samurai bumpers back mounted on the truck. Turned out looks pretty good. And got the grill guard on there. And then I ended up welding this little plate. I don't know if you can see it right there. And so sticks won't come up through the bottom. And see if I can get the rear bumper back on. Hard to see in here. But that's it. It's all done. The hitches, well, the hitches are really there for more like a winch mount. You know, this thing isn't going to pull that much. But at least if it gets stuck, you'll be able to put a winch in there and get it out. Yeah. But that's it. I'm done with that thing. It'll be out of here.